May istorya kay mama mo, anong gusto mo tokdan mo sa mama pag ano?
Mag-English.
Sige nga, ako tokdan mo na ko pag English, panaw.
Atin morning time na.
Ano kung ngunya na, you teach me how to speak English? Sige daw. Teach me now.
Okay.
In Bicol,
In my mind, you see color fish in the water swimming in there, and scientists make them glow.
What's that?
That's
Explain in Bicol.
in your telescope so very small, you can see anything like that. You can see the small fish in the water swimming at right there.
Hmm?
You know, and that's what happened in the zoo. All these like crocodiles, like